Unity Systems Solutions. Asus VivoBook 15. Stamp your style on the world with Asus VivoBook 15, the feature-packed laptop that makes it easy to get things done, anywhere. Everything about VivoBook 15 is bold and improved, from its powerful 12th Gen Intel Core processor to its crisp and clear display, 180 degrees lay-flat hinge, modern colors and sleek geometric design. Make a fresh start today with VivoBook 15. Design highlight. VivoBook 15 is never ordinary, with a clean design and 3 eye-catching colors. Choose from charming quiet blue, distinguished ice-like silver, or cozy terracotta, whichever says, "That's me." It's slim enough to pop unobtrusively into any backpack, and light enough for easy one-handed carrying. 1x USB 2.0 Type A. 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C. 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A. 1x HDMI 1.4. 1x3.5mm combo audio jack. 1x DC in. Display. Give your eyes a treat with VivoBook 15's clear, slim bezel nano edge display. It has wide viewing angles, and is TÜV Rheinland certified for low blue light levels, reducing the risk of eye strain during marathon viewing sessions. VivoBook 15 takes your privacy and security seriously. There's an integrated privacy shield that slides over the webcam for instant privacy, shielding you against prying eyes and disturbances. The 180 degrees lay-flat hinge makes it so much easier when you want to share stuff with those around you, too. The optional keyboard backlight 6 on VivoBook 15 is perfect for working in dim environments. Keyboard. Brilliantly nuanced ErgoSense keyboard. It's our mission at Asus to elevate human interaction with technology to a higher and more intuitive level than ever before. The latest Asus ErgoSense keyboard are engineered to enable an unrivaled input experience that's in harmony with how you move, feel and touch. Your comfort is our highest priority. That's why the ErgoSense keyboard has an incredibly satisfying feel, with the optimum bounce and travel calculated with fine-tuned precision. Experience the ErgoSense keyboard, and you'll soon find yourself cruising effortlessly through your work. Processor. Intel Core i7-1260p processor 2.1 GHz. Memory. 8 GB DDR4 on board. Storage 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD. Graphics. Intel UHD Graphics. Aerodynamic ice blades for accelerated cooling. Each model in the new VivoBook series provides exceptional heat dissipation via 2 upgraded heat pipes 2 and a new ice blades fan that efficiently accelerates heat transfer. The 87-blade ice blades fan and impeller are made of a liquid crystal polymer that allows them to be lighter and thinner than ordinary fans. Each ice blade's fan blade has a 3D curved aerodynamic design, allowing the fan to achieve better flow rate and lower noise. In addition, the ice blades fans also use a fluid dynamics bearing, which can achieve better vibration reduction and lower noise when compared to ordinary fans.